The significant challenge we actually face include the imperative to comply with principles, standards, and criteria, such as ethics, to uphold fundamental values. It is evident that the application of harmonized standards on an international scale is essential. Regulation from the European Union and priorities set by international organizations like UNESCO and OECD call for collective efforts and an accelerated development of business and, in general, industrial capabilities to adopt these guidelines. However, this must not solely be seen from a governmental perspective, but also requires organizational readiness and the establishment of an ethical framework in practice. There exists a considerable disparity between the requirements or guidelines of standards and the readiness of European SMEs for their adoption and implementation. Introducing capacity building programs, such as short-term courses in collaboration with universities and research institutions, along with cross-industry collaboration, can help mitigate this asymmetry. The certification of AI solutions in Portugal, aligned with relevant standards, is a pivotal step to ensure the quality and reliability of AI solutions developed within the country, which has invested very hard into the development of new products and services and nurtured an ecosystem for developing startups. The lack of alignment among the distinct strategies of European Union member states in AI standardization may bring additional barriers to the success of the AI Act. Several standards could already be implemented by member states, laying the groundwork and serving as the basis for initiatives such as the provision of preliminary quality seals and certifications for artificial intelligence systems. These initiatives could serve as a positive discrimination in award procedures, both at EU level through the European Commission, example Horizon Europe, or the new package focusing on AI factories, and at the national level with use of structural funds or other funding mechanisms. A synergies program for AI development may require additional consideration from the European Commission. On an international level, standards developed or published by ISO and organizations like the IEEE can also be translated and applied in Europe, fostering the development and capacity building of national AI ecosystems. For instance, 42001 provides a framework for organizations to implement a responsive AI management system, benefiting from the adoption of common requirements such as risk assessment or impact assessment.